I wanted to show how to use the universal access bot to create better captions for videos for YouTube. So I'm going to be doing that using this Math 10 exponential functions part 4 video. Click on the pencil to edit. Scroll down to the right where it says subtitles. Edit timings. The three dots to the right, click that. Download subtitles. Make sure you don't push clear subtitles. Click download subtitles. Then we're going to open the file that will open in Notepad. Test this once. Okay, we need to copy this. So Control A, Control C. Then we're going to switch over to the universal access bot. So you're not going to know the URL, so just Google universal access bot. Click in the write a message slot. Control V to paste the captions. Uh, Click the blue arrow. And then this will take some time. You'll see the three bouncing dots telling you that it's working. This will take some time for it to process. It's going to, how long it takes is going to depend on the length of the video. And then you'll start to see the captions appear in this um, uh, blue on black background text. And then it's going to come up with some suggestions after that. So we just have to wait. Okay, once that's done, you're going to scroll to the top of the box. It's still spitting out suggestions. So I have to wait. It's running a little slower, I think, because I have Zoom on top of it now, but that's okay. We'll get all the way to the top. Okay. All right, push copy code and then back to the window that has YouTube in it. Okay, back to the three dots. This time we'll push clear subtitles. Edit as text, switch that over to edit timings. In the box where it says enter the words that are spoken, push Control V. That pastes in the new subtitles. Then push done. It's going to tell you changes saved. Processing may take a few hours. So far for me, it's just taken a few minutes. All right. So anyways, that's it.